With all due respect to the President of Zar Nation, Prezo Thomas CST Chichanji, members of the Zimexmo here present, members of the vote, Papa Prince Nobel, P. Mighty, and Ambassador of Carex, Michel Munyaradzi Gumbo, fellow comedians, members of the press, I don't forget you. It is with great concern on the current happenings on our beloved Facebook that we as comedians, we are not being respected and being manipulated. It is also my personal honor to congratulate a fellow comedian, Gonyet, for winning the Intombi